Hey guys, I'm here again with another upload, and today I'll be giving you some fitness tips. Are you one of those who has been performing push-ups as an exercise and aren't satisfied with the maximum number you can perform at a go currently? Or you just took up push-ups as a bodybuilding exercise and you're looking for ways to increase your reps? This video is made especially for you. I'll be sharing tips that will help increase your push-up limit within 30 days. Let's get into it. Number 1. Get the proper push-up form. The first thing you need to do to increase the number of push-ups you can perform at a go is to make sure you're performing them with the proper form. One very common mistake is bracing the core while performing push-ups, which can cause the spine to either round up or down. Rather, stay in a neutral position, which can lead to a back injury. When it rounds up, it makes push-ups harder to perform, and when it rounds down, it makes it easier to perform. The proper form is to get down on all fours with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width and slightly rotated outward. Now get into a push-up position while squeezing your core to make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your toes. Bend your elbows and lower yourself till your chest is just above the ground, and then push yourself back up till your elbows are straightened out. Number 2. Start with incline push-ups. Another way you can increase the number of push-ups you can perform at a go is to start with an incline or kneeling push-up. This applies to both beginners and pros. The incline or kneeling push-up will take some weight off your hands, since you'll rest your lower body on your knees and your hands will be placed on higher inclines. If you're a beginner, you can use this kind of push-up to get a feel of the exercise and master the press and push-up movements. If you're advanced, when you perform regular push-ups to your usual number and you feel you can't go any further, you can drop to your knees and add a few reps, especially if you need to hit a new set target. Number 3. Strengthen your core. Another requirement to increase the number of push-ups you can perform is to ensure you have enough core strength. Your core acts as your base, and if it's too weak, it won't be stable enough to hold your body in position for long. That's why it's important you add some core stabilization workouts to your workout routine, like planks. These movements will help train your core in a static position. Number 4. Try advanced push-up variations. Once you can perform over 15 push-ups at a go, you should try more advanced variations of the exercise. One of the major factors that determine the number of push-ups you can perform at a go is the maximum push strength your upper body has. Meaning the more maximum push strength you have, the easier it'll be to perform a regular push-up. You can start your sets with advanced variations to improve your maximum pressing strength, and when you begin to feel fatigued, switch to regular push-ups and finish off with kneeling or incline push-ups. Number 5. Be consistent with your routine. The final tip that I'll give you to help increase your push-up numbers is to be consistent with your routine. The phrase consistency is key when it comes into play here, as with everything in life. You need to be consistent to see progress. You can't just go from performing 0 push-ups to completing sets upon sets after just one workout session. You need to create a plan, stick to it, and give yourself some time to get accustomed to it. Most people underestimate what can be achieved over the long term, but there's no way you won't increase your push-up numbers as long as you come up with a good plan and you're faithful to your workout days. Though there are more tips out there that can help increase your push-up numbers, these are the most important ones. Adopt them and watch yourself break your limits and reach for a larger push-up horizon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and consider leaving a like if you found this video helpful and subscribing to our channel for more fitness tips. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts.